Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our financial literacy course. Today, we're focusing on something very practical, recognizing the common financial decisions students face every day. From food choices to borrowing for school, these decisions shape both your present and your future. One of the first financial decisions students face is how to budget limited money. Do you spend your paycheck on essentials like rent and groceries first, or do you splurge on entertainment and social activities? Every choice affects your ability to make ends meet. Students constantly face the decision between needs and wants. A need might be purchasing required textbooks. A want might be upgrading to the newest phone. Recognizing this distinction helps you prioritize what matters most when money is tight. Another big financial decision involves borrowing. Should you take out student loans, and if so, how much? How do you use a credit card responsibly without getting into debt? Students often face these choices early, and the outcomes can have long-term effects on credit and financial freedom. Even with a small income, students must decide whether to save. Do you set aside $10 or $20 a week for emergencies, or do you spend everything you earn? This decision can mean the difference between handling an unexpected expense calmly or relying on debt. Finally, students also face bigger picture financial decisions. Should you invest in a basic retirement account early or wait until after graduation? Should you live on campus or off campus to save money? These choices may not feel urgent, but they have long-term financial consequences. So, what are the common financial decisions students face? Budgeting, balancing needs and wants, borrowing wisely, saving for emergencies, and making long-term choices. Recognizing these decisions is the first step toward managing money with confidence. This concludes our first course. In the next course, we will learn about budgeting and money management. See you then.